Hi everyone, welcome to KRWBIN, and today we'll be talking about the must-haves for summer vacation. As you can see, we have an adjustable bra, and an adjustable bra is any bra that has removable bra straps. So notice the straps are attached to the base of the bra and can be removed. So you're going to remove your existing bra straps on both sides, and then you are going to insert your must-have, which are invisible bra straps. If you're wearing a swimsuit or you're just wearing like a crop top or a half top or bustier or something like that, 9 times out of 10 you do not want your bra straps showing. So with these invisible adjustable bra straps, you can insert them into your existing bra, whether it be a swimsuit bra or a regular push-up bra, and you can adjust these and add these to the bra at your leisure. So notice how we're just going to slide that right in to your slot at the base of your existing bra. Now this is perfect. You can wear any type of bra that you like, any type of outfit that you like, because with the invisible straps, you can have that push-up effect without actually having the bra strap showing. And also another addition to that is you don't have to take your bra straps and like push them down past your shoulders, which, is normally what happens. So notice here, that's with your regular bra straps, and now you have your invisible bra straps.